Welcome back to FluTalk English. Today we talk about something every learner wants. How does English become automatic? Not forced, not slow, just natural. I'm here with my guest, so let me start with a simple question. Why do people study English for years but still can't speak?
Because they think too much. They translate. They check grammar in their head. Their brain is busy, so English can't flow.
Exactly. Automatic English means you don't think first. Words come out naturally, like your first language. But many learners believe this needs talent. Is that true?
No, not at all. Automatic English is not talent. It's training. Your brain learns by repetition, not rules.
That's important. When you repeat something again and again, your brain saves energy. It creates a habit. That's how English becomes automatic.
Yes, think about riding a bicycle. At first, it's hard. Later, you don't think at all. English works the same way.
So what is the biggest mistake learners make?
They study too much and practice too little. They read grammar books, but they don't speak.
And speaking is the key. Even simple speaking, short sentences, daily practice. Not perfect English, just real English.
Exactly. Your brain doesn't learn from perfection. It learns from repetition.
So let's make this practical. How can someone make English automatic?
3 simple steps. First, listen to easy English every day. Not hard videos. Easy, clear English. Second, repeat what you hear, out loud, even if it feels strange. Third, use English daily. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Think in simple sentences.
I love that. Simple but powerful. And one more thing. People are afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are good. They mean your brain is learning. No mistakes equals no progress.
So remember this. English becomes automatic when you stop forcing and start repeating.
Yes, small practice every day. That's the secret.
Perfect ending. If you enjoyed this episode, keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't wait for perfection. See you in the next episode of FluTalk English.